Hi, my name is Jorge Ramirez. I am 50 years old. My occupation is a store manager for the Jeff. I am very hardworking person, responsible and dedicated to my children. I live in the city Cali. Have the strengths. Jorge, good afternoon. It will be a table for one. Weather. Uh, yes, sir. Uh, please follow me. Weather. May I take your order, sir? Jorge. I should be careful but and go to head the grilled steak and garnish on the fresh fries. Whether fine steak and grind and fried. What would you to like to drink? Jorge. Can you see the bearing in mind? Whether. Of course, here it's Jorge. If I a glass of wine after of the meal. Whether. Will you like some coffee on dessert? Jorge. A cup of coffee would be nice, thank you. Asking for the check, please. Jorge. I call a hyphen the check, please. Whether. And certainly here. Hey, here. Jorge. I have to pay by card. Whether. Sorry, you must pay much cash. Jorge. Okay. Here 50 keep to change. Whether. Thank you, mister. Have a good day.